How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna share with you how to make your vocal sound more professional in your OBS studio using just free plugins from Analog Obsession. So the first thing I will do, I will just turn off all my plugins so that you can hear my voice without any process. As you can hear now, my voice is just raw without any process. I think the volume is down and it's low, but so when I put the plugins, you can hear that the voice will sound more loud, more clean, and everything will be sound okay. Let me put back the plugins so that you can hear what's the difference. Then I will explain how I made it. So now you can hear that the vocal are much cleaner, much louder, and everything is sound okay. So let me explain how I made it so that you can just use these plugins and the preset I will be using in your own vocal. So the first plugins is that after noise suppression from this OBS, I'll just put the next plugin is this one. This is a preamp. This is a preamp. You can just copy the preset and use in your own vocal in your studio. So I'll just put the plugins here so that you can copy. The first one is this one. Then I will put the next one. You can just copy the preset. This one and the next one. This is a de-esser, and the next one is this compressor. You just compress to -5 dB. You can stay between -7 and -6, -5. So let's go to the next one. The next one, I use this compressor also. This is a 11, no, it's LA2A compressor. So as you can see, you can just compress maybe -3 or -5 dB. Okay. The next one, I've used this tape emulator. As you can see, just copy the preset. Let's go to the next one. I'm doing like this because I don't want this video to take so long. So this is just a exciter. You can just copy the preset. Okay. The next one. I've just used a DS again so that I can tame those S's, this harshness. So let's go to the next one. This is a reverb. You can just copy the settings here and go. This one, the next one, I've used this compressor, this bass compressor, as you can see. So that's it for the video, my friend, my brothers. Let's go home. Peace.